How to fix runtime error on Windows. What's up everyone? In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can quickly fix the runtime error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's get started. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel as well. So the first thing that you want to do is head over to your search bar and search for CMD to open your command prompt. So once your command prompt is open, the first command that you want to enter is this one right here, sfc space slash and then scan now. So it's sfc space and then slash, and what you want to do is enter scan now. So once you do this, press enter. So you must have the administrator running. So what you need to do here is go ahead and open CMD and run it as administrator. Click on yes and do the same thing here. So enter SFC and then scan now. So once you do this, it will start the scanning process and it will take some time. Once it is complete, you can restart your computer to complete this run. Now the second command that you want to enter is this one right here. You can just enter this. It's actually here restore health, so it's something like this. Now you can just copy this command and then paste it right here. So once you do this, it will take some time, and then after this the scan will be complete, and then you're good to go. Give your PC a quick restart and your runtime error should be fixed. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.